So now I'd like to move into where I show you some of the doorways that I used, and for sure that I use with my students, about a way into this style of this broken eighth note feel. So one of the ways that I found for helping other students, and actually a way that control-wise I was able to affect this style much easier, was by seeing a parallel rhythm in the samba material, where we had the eighth notes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now I'm keeping the hi-hat open except closing on a 2 and 4, and I'm kind of pushing it in to put those accents into it. And before we had that bass line that went with those accents. But now I want to leave that bass drum out and loosen up this even more. And then refer to like a time feel with the eighth note ride rhythm. Maybe it'd be better to even do it a little bit slower so you can hear it, where we got. And then if we put the left hand like alternating stickings, but added to that ride rhythm, we get this. The left hand is on all the ands, but we're using it as a spacer. In your own development, doing this sort of transition from the hi-hat to the ride rhythm is really important for being able to see how they relate to one another, and then you can sustain the flow with just that ride rhythm, and then not so much refer to that samba, but just the flow of the eighth notes that you have going on with your hands. And if you refer to those exanimals, those musical examples of that, you can pick ones that you can hear how that rhythm is inside of that, and then further develop your model from there with that.